Today is 9th of January and it's sunny, but time is 5. It is sunny, but it is very cold, and we are going to a destination called Coin Building. So it is called Coin Building because it has a shape of a coin, and that is the headquarters of a company here called Aldar, who are a real estate company. Okay, we'll go there and we'll give you more details about the place. Okay, so we are crossing the Sheikh Zayed Bridge in Abu Dhabi. So once you cross this bridge, there is a toll gate. Abu Dhabi has opened a toll gate for the first time in 2021. It is effective 2nd of January. However, we are passing through the toll gate for the first time today. It's 4 dirhams every time you cross. Here is a toll gate that is coming in front of us. Okay, here we are. We can see at least 1/3 of the building here. It's a round building with full glass structures. So this is the first view, and we will go nearby, crossing the overbridge near to that. So here you have another view. You can see the sun clearly reflecting on the building. So we are inching closer to the building. We'll go there nearby and then we'll show you the rest of it. Okay, here we come. I think we are not supposed to go to this building. We are not allowed to. It's a headquarters of a company. So what we do is we come and park our car here in a nearby mall, and then we go to the other side of the mall and show you the building. So visitors are not allowed. It's not a tourist spot, it's an office, so we are taking the other side view. So this is the Coin Building. So you can see, so I've read some website that's about 10 floors. I might be wrong, it might be more than that. But if you take a closer look at it, you can see different floors, some tables, chairs also I can see. I've seen in the night when there are lights. So this is the Coin Building. So behind me you can see this is Al Raha Beach Hotel. So you can see the hotel customers can come here and have a good time with the beach, especially during the winter. And there are some contemporary villas in Al Raha. And if you turn that side, this is the Al Raha Mall. This is Al Raha Mall. There's a mall, there's a hotel, and here is your coin building. Okay, so you saw the building from a distance. Now I'm going to take you near the building. I'm not sure whether they will allow, but still we can make a try. Let's go near the building and see how it is. Okay, I couldn't show you a better view of the coin tower. Apparently police had put a blockade there, so we're returning back home. So just enjoy the sunset with a time lapse.